Yes, I saw that. Yeah, we are opening a recording Zoom meeting, so
Good, good,
it
good.
will be record.
So that way I can take a look at it. So
Okay.
I wanted to ask you,
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a ton of I don't have a ton of things that I gotta audit, but
Mm-hmm.
I want you to go over like what I should be doing every week, what I should be doing every month, what
Mm-hmm.
I should be doing every quarter,
Mm-hmm.
and then show me the QuickBooks and why it wasn't matching. Remember you were telling me it wasn't matching before?
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty much it. I just want to go over some protocols that you recommend as a client, what I should be doing every week, every month, every quarter. And I just keep doing it.
Okay. So you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, 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 sure.
Okay.
I edited a
Okay.
couple things today, but like, remember you said, hey, Hitesh, you had a payment listed as something different. So I didn't adjust the payment. So I want you to kind of show me, hey, this is what you should do every week.
Okay.
Show me the books for 2025 that are balanced, and then show me your weekly, monthly, quarterly, quick to-do list. Remember like the whole thing about reconciliation and all that stuff?
Okay. What's your company name?
Media, family, dentistry.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Wow, my son is crying. Sorry, Rupert. My other son is sleeping. He's fine. So I don't have to record. Oh, it's already recording. Got it, got it, got it.
Okay. Media Amor LLC, right?
Media, family, dentistry.
Oh.
S. It's
Okay. So
PC, PC,
sorry.
PC.
Okay. Sorry. Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so actually I don't have any to-do list for what to do, but I have everything in my mind.
Yeah,
So
sure, sure.
I can share you what to do step by step.
Yeah. If it was your office, let's just imagine this was your office. What would you
Hmm.
want the manager to do every week, every month, every quarter, or every year? Whatever you
Okay.
think we should be doing is what I want to do. But I know last year my numbers weren't matching. So in
Okay.
credit cards, the only thing I didn't do was the check, the payment.
Okay.
So you're going into reconcile.
5730. I'm just opening everything so I can show you one by one.
Uh-huh.
30 5730 plus last time. Okay.
Yeah, like do I need to open up like a written statement and then check it too? You know what I mean?
Okay. So first you have to take a look every week of your bank's feed
Mm-hmm.
to see your what was the transaction in for review or in for review in credit card,
Yeah,
and must be ensured that whenever you're doing that uh, transaction categorization, you are doing with the accurate ledger you are using, like which one is the expense,
yeah,
liability, and income equity.
yeah.
And second thing, whenever you have an internal transfer, like this one, I can see this is
Okay.
$20,000.
Mm-hmm.
This was show that this is paying to your 5730. So if I
Yeah, yeah.
copy this amount,
Uh-huh.
so let me see.
It's
Yeah,
right there.
this was showing there. Okay, I don't need to search it. Okay, so whenever you are doing any internal transfer, if you see this, there is a pair transactions. You can see a pair. So if
This
you
is
see any
unfair.
paired, yes,
Oh,
I
okay.
mean this already pair, we can unpair it.
Got it, got it, got it.
Okay, so if you see any pair transaction with your another card, then you don't need to click anything. You just need to double check that the date of the transactions of both account. This account
Yeah.
transactions when they happen, and this is the one that receive in that credit card.
Okay.
And the amount, if that match, you can just click on add. So when this transaction is pair, if you just click on add, then both side transaction will be match.
So I got a
So
question
this,
though. But you see,
yes,
what if you went to credit card instead? Go to credit card. You see how here it says like web payment, add credit card payment. Go to credit cards.
okay.
The the go up a little bit. No, up here. Like go up.
Hmm.
Yeah, click on that. You see here has nothing. How do I?
Yes,
So I should be doing this with the bank, not with the credit card.
yes. If you choose with if your transaction is already pair, you don't need to do in both side, because these are one transaction. These are not two transactions.
I know, but see, this is unpaired. You see how this
No,
one, this
no, no,
one
no.
says,
This is pair. If we want, we can unpair it. If we click, this will be unpair. So
okay, paired transaction details. I understand.
okay.
So, but
So let.
if you want a credit card, like let go to
Hmm.
credit card again,
Okay.
and just click on this. Thank you. If you click on report as credit card payment, then
Hmm.
it's okay.
Yes. Okay. For that reason, you can see this already showing now pair. And
Got it. So either or, if I do it here, it's fixed there. If I do it there, it's fixed here. As long as I record it as a credit card payment, I'm fine.
okay. So if this transaction is pair, then you don't need to do anything extra. You can just click on add, and both
Uh,
side transaction will be recorded. So let me
yeah,
show you.
but a minute ago this wasn't though. It was written as categorized. Only on business did it say.
This you
Remember?
can see this both are gone. So
Yeah, they're all gone.
let me find out by amount. So this is, you have to see that if the credit card was paid, this if you paid to your credit card, and this have to be show one side match and another side transfer.
Got it matched.
You can see added and another side is
Yeah,
match.
added.
So this will be
Oh,
one
matched.
transaction.
Got it,
Yes.
got it. I understand. So I
And
just got.
let
Go
me
ahead. I'm
show
listening.
if this was is not pair. If I see that this was is not pair, like you will see so many transactions that will not show pair.
Got it, got it, got it.
So let me show if I click on unpair, now it's not pair with the another transactions. So I will record it manually.
Oh,
I will
oh.
record it manually. I will choose that this amount was from coming from this bank account, and this is a
Mm-hmm.
credit card bill.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I will add,
Okay, I add
and
it.
I will not categorize this side. I will just do
Mm.
what I will do the match.
Oh, I understand.
I will not categorize, or I will not record as a credit card or transfer. I will only do match, because this is a only one transaction. So when I match with another one, then that will be one transaction total, and that show that uh, both sides have one transaction, because the money is one, that moving to
Got it.
one to another.
Got it. It's one.
So
So
if
as
I
long
click on the match,
if you do
then you
manual, you
can,
gotta match it. But if not,
yes,
then it's gonna match it automatically when it's gonna pair it.
yes. So whenever you do, you never do categorize from both side. Categorize
Got
from
it.
one side and match from the another side. So now
Got
you
it.
can see that your transaction amount is almost match. So if the amount is not match, still after categorize all transactions, that means there is any transaction is missing from your credit card. There can be one or two or three or four, but the transaction
Got it.
is missing. That's the
Yeah.
reason your balance is not matching.
Got it.
So during reconciliations, we do cross check with the bank statement. So what
Mm-hmm.
we do, we see that bank statement total 15 transaction is deposit and 5 transaction is spent.
Got it.
So we cross check that same thing that happened in your QuickBooks, that 15 transaction in deposit and 5 transaction spent. So
Yeah.
if we see that both side there any transaction is missing, then what we do, we just click on the link account. There is a drop down option, you will see
A linked
upload
account.
file.
Mm-hmm.
We'll upload it manually, that transaction. Then that will come to our fee review section. After import the transaction, then we will categorize and reconcile it.
Got it.
So
So if it doesn't match, you may need to upload
if
the
the
bank.
transaction is missing, yes, if the transaction
Mm.
is missing, that if the transaction is not showing here or in your categorize,
Got it.
uh, every end of the month you will get a statement. So if you able, you can share me the critical statement of December,
Okay, okay.
so I can show
Give
you
me.
that how we'll do
Yeah.
it.
Okay. I think I sent that. Did I send it to you already?
No, you didn't send me the December one. You send me till November.
Okay. Do you need a PDF? What do you need?
PDF.
Okay, hold on. PDF statements. Hold on. Mm, yeah, PDF. Okay. Can I email that to you?
Yes, you can email to me.
Should have done that earlier. I'm sorry. What was your email again?
Bookkeeper.ajiz.
Got it. Got it. AZIZ, right?
Yes, I just sent it again on Upwork.
Got it. Okay. Sorry, I should have had this earlier. Okay, I just sent it. So this is only if it's not working, right? Like this is only if it's like
If you see that your transaction is matching, not matching, then you can do it.
so uploading is not gonna mess things up. Uploading is just gonna let you to audit. Should
Yes,
work now.
upload it is means that I just uh, take the transaction detail like date, amount, description, and upload it by Excel.
Mm-hmm. This I just emailed you. It's not an Excel. It's a PDF.
Because PDF I need to be recorded. Yeah, I need to check that balance of the ending balance. The PDF
Got
have
it.
the ending balance, and we always ask the. Let me check. You send it to me, but it's not showing that.
It should be in there.
Okay.
Check it again.
Yeah, I just received that. Okay. Okay.
So you also want this in a PDF.
Yes. I just
I'm
received
not
that.
PDF. An Excel sheet.
I will check it on PDF, and when I upload, I will upload it from the Excel. Upload by Excel.
Oh,
Mm, Let me show you.
okay, yeah.
So you can see there is showing that your balance is off by $59.
Mm-hmm.
And this is not more. So this is the off by $59. That means after reconcile, if I categorize any if I undo any transactions, like if I undo click on undo after category reconciliation and
Yeah.
then recategorize that, then that transaction will be not automatically reconciled. So for that reason, this will show you that your this amount is unreconciled. So if I go to your chart of account and go to the this bank registry,
Mm-hmm.
state card registry,
Yeah.
uh
I want it to be in there.
oh
There you
yes,
go.
I got it. Be register. So I will choose what was my reconciliation last date. That was 11 November.
27.
Oh, sorry, 27 November. And I will filter it here and I will give that last date of the transactions and I will click on the reconcile status that not reconciled,
Not
because
reconciled.
when I is showing that no transaction is not reconciled there. Okay. 57, 59. Sorry, 59.
Nothing.
I don't see any transaction amount that $59.
And 1 cent. Yeah, no, I don't. That's what I'm trying. That's when you give it back to me in December. I wasn't able to find out.
Let me find it in your bank. No, there is no transaction in $59. So that can be two amount or one amount or multiple amount.
Yeah.
But I see that your book is, if I give that date again, till 27, there's all transaction is reconciled.
Yeah. But wouldn't that be reconciled and categorized are different, right?
Reconciled is means that your transaction is, if you see that the the transaction that have R option, that
Mm-hmm.
R means reconciled, and reconcile means when we do cross check we from here,
Mm-hmm.
then that will be reconcile.
But if we check,
And
if you says beginning balance 857, how are you getting that number on a credit card?
that will automate. Okay, open the zero statement. You see that your beginning balance 798,
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Beginning balance 798.
and
So
this
then,
is your new balance is your ending balance.
mm, so what if I
So for
overpaid? Like, what if I
uh,
paid too? What if I paid too much? What if I paid a little bit extra?
that doesn't matter. The every month of end you will get ending balance and previous balance in your
Previous,
statements,
and that needs to match.
and that have to be matched with your QuickBooks. So you can see
What
your
that's when I
ab-
reconcile them.
yes, and you can see till 35 December 23. After December 23, that your ending balance is 257.
Got it.
So that have to
I
be matched
understand.
with your QuickBooks. So if I see that it's 792.58, let me see if I create any journal or something so I can
That's what I'm trying to figure out. How do I do this? Like,
no, it will be not have to be do every time. Once everything is balance adjustment, you never have to do anything extra. Like
okay. Oh,
if I adjust your balance once, like this you can see December 27 of 2025, I create a balance adjustment journal. On this journal, that will before your opening up 2025, I just create a adjustment balance. This balance of equity, open balance in equity, and this equity show in your balance sheet, not in your profit and loss. So it will
got
not
it.
impact in your profit and loss. So I see that all transaction is recorded, and there is no transaction was missing till 11/27, and it's still that 90 $59 is showing the difference. So I will just edit this and add $59 to do the adjustment in 2024, not 5. So I just create the adjustment. Let me see if that
So
was
yeah, do you think it's gonna have to change it? Well, maybe. But you think it was off by then, or is something happening up now?
this is the amount that is that showing that they are in minus. Okay, sorry, I did extra. Instead of minus, I did the plus because that was is minus.
Oh, I understand.
Now it will be match. So you don't never need to edit this journal again because
Okay.
it's already matched. And from now that is you can see that this amount is there is no mismatch showing. And now I'll show you how I did the reconciliation. So you can see this our previous balance is 798.52. Here
Yeah.
you can see this 798.52 is our beginning balance. So
Mm-hmm.
always you have to put your ending balance, not the beginning balance.
So at the end of the month,
Yes, end of the month. So I can see your new balance at the end of the
mm-hmm.
month is 257.09.
Got it.
So if I click there, 257.09, and the other side I will add the date of the statement closing. This opening date is 128 and closing
Got
date
it.
is 12/27. So I will click there. 12/27. Sorry.
Hold on one second. Hey, Rifat,
Yes,
you want to see this real quick? It's for your QuickBooks. Okay, go ahead. Sorry. Okay, so then you added that from the credit card
statement.
PDF statement. Okay,
Yes.
and then you
Okay,
press start record.
so I will just start reconciling.
And what this is doing? This is double checking everything that you integrated with what's inside.
Yes. So you will see after this is all the transaction you see. This is from your bank, and you can see there's total 42 charges and 7 payments.
7
Mm.
payments.
Yes, in your credit card and 42 charges.
Okay.
So still it's showing that we have minus 1055.43. So
Mhm.
that means that we have missing few transactions. So if I check on your credit card, I can see
Mhm.
that payments credits is 11,512. Uh, you can see the charges is 11,911.
Mm.
And if I see that purchases 10,097 on, it's still not matching. This is both side. Uh, sorry, purchases this was and these are payments. Okay, so the both side amount is not matching. So that means if there was there was extra transaction is here, or maybe some transaction is missing. So two things we can meaning. So let me go to the payments. There was how many payments? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 payments we have. So let me show that how many payments you have. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three,
I don't think you.
four, five, six, seven, eight. 8 transactions was there.
Wait, I think that's other one's 8 too. Go back to the QuickBooks. Yeah, that's 7. It's missing one. It's
Yes.
missing the hundred and some dollar one.
So
111.4. But this is from another month. This was like an appeal I had. So how does that work?
okay. That's showing that 11/4, the last month transactions.
Yeah. This was an appeal
Uh,
that I did with my cookie company. They charged me last month and I got it appealed back and they gave me a refund.
Okay, let me see if I see in your bank transactions.
Should.
Okay, we can see this. These are in the last month, not this
Yeah.
month. Okay.
Yeah. So is that okay?
Yes, that was okay. But if we did the reconciliation last month, but it was counted in this month, so we have to manage it from the last month. So we can let me do one thing, close without saving.
Wow.
I have to edit the last month reconciliation.
Yeah, but imagine if you weren't here. How am I doing that? You know what I mean?
You just need to be double check all the transactions. So I'm doing and everything was recording. So I see this was mistake that happened that whatever transaction is showing on this month, you are only clicking on that transaction, not all the transactions. We Let me show you again on the November. I will front of you. I will edit the November transactions. I'm just going if let me see. These are our transition where reconciliation page where I do reconciliation, and this is a history by account. Like
Mm-hmm.
for this credit card, I did one by one reconciliation. So this is the November transactions reconciled. So if I click on the undo, then November reconciliation will be undo, and I
Mm.
have to reconcile again the November. So I can adjust that mistake I did on November.
Mm.
So I need the November statement. Maybe you provided me. Yes. Oh, sorry, this is a bank.
Bank credit card.
Oh, this is November one. So if I go to the November, ending balance 798.52, 798.52.
What about the beginning balance? It's automatic? Yeah, it's
Yes,
automatic, right?
it is automatic. 4,632.6.
Because you've been reconciliating it the whole month, every month. That's
I
why.
just did the last month reconciliation, and it will be what was the our what just you can see that ending balance I gave. Whatever the
Yeah.
ending balance I give, that will be showing next month beginning balance.
Got it. And you gotta also do
And
statement
that
ending date.
yes, and if there any transaction or any anything you delete from your bank, then that in beginning balance will be changed automatically.
Got it.
Okay, so 798.1.
What if this issue was in October and not November? Would you have to reconcile October and November together again?
Yes, we'll do the reconciliation again for the October, and we'll do the undo and go to the back and see if there anything we did the mistake.
Yeah, but I'm saying, what if this was like in May? Would you have to redo all the months or only May?
No, no, I do all the month
All the months. Oh my God. Okay.
because only May is not possible. If I click only May undo before May after May, whatever transaction I did reconcile, it will be automatically undo all the
Yeah,
transactions.
I understand.
Okay, so the date was let's see 11/3. This is the amount. Yeah, we can see this. Here is only one amount.
Yeah. It
And
gave me.
the second amount is still we don't have in our December, and November we have only one amount, but in bank we can see that there's two amount still there. So that means that another amount is somehow reconciled. So I will go to the bank register
So
again.
I think the bank was giving me a credit, I think, but I'm not sure.
I am going to the chart of account because whatever the transaction we recorded here, this will show in your bank register. So we can go from there, yeah, you can see that go to bank register. We can also go from this button,
Mm.
and we can look for both transactions to see that the transaction is showing that reconcile or not. You can see this one transaction have R and another is C. So if the
Oh,
transaction have the R, that will not show in our reconcile page.
because
So we have to
I thought R
uh,
meant to reconcile.
yes, R means reconcile. So I just change the R to C. If
What's
I
C
click
mean?
on this, if I click on this, it will be automatically changed. So I just
What
click on C. That means this was not reconciled.
what's C mean?
C means cleared from the bank. That
Got
this
it.
transaction is cleared from bank, but not reconciled. So if I double click on reload, still we will see the transaction, but we will not click that. Let me show the transaction here.
Wait, there
You
we
can
go.
see
Yeah,
you
I
can
see
see
it.
that we have the board transaction
Uh-huh.
now, but I have to unclick one of them, which is payment. So after these reconciliations, you can see that minus 114.99 difference, right?
Mm.
I hope you will remember that I just did a journal edit that showing that unmatched, and I'm unable to find that was coming from where.
Yeah.
So this is the amount that is sh- I am unable to find, and that's the reason is that mistake is showing there when I start showing you reconciliation.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to edit that journal that where I did the adjustment because the adjustment was wrong. I just
Mm.
add the amount on the year end adjustment of 2024. So if I change that back again and say that whatever the amount was last time, that was the correct, then this will be balancing. So you can see that 114.99 is show minus. But this transaction, if I click on this transaction, this will be show zero difference with the bank statement. But this was not for this month. This was for the December.
Yeah, but it's weird because in the December it has the November number. You see that? Like it's like going
Yes,
back.
but yes, but that have to be shown in your statement. So if I go to your again, maybe I okay. So we are already open. If I go here and if I see that all the credits, you can see that amount is not showing in your November statements.
Yeah.
So I
So
can't.
so so, so this only happens if there's like a insurance, like a credit card refund issue. We don't automatically. The issue happened is they wouldn't. They said that they lost my package when I returned it, so they didn't give me any money back. And then I appealed with Chase, and then Chase gave me the money back. So like, what do I do if this happens like a month? Like, what if like in 6 months I have a shirt that I'm not getting a refund back for, and I contest it with my credit company? This is gonna happen again, right?
Yes, and that times you are just doing the same thing. I just did the already reconcile, but you didn't reconcile it because if you see that next month is you just follow your statement. So if I
Mm-hmm.
follow your statement, I see that go to the payment section. I can see this all payments, not this one, in your
Got it.
payment sections. So
Uh-huh.
whatever the transaction not I will see in your payment section, I will not click there. Click it.
Got it.
So if I go to adjust your statement here again and
And you're doing
sheet.
that in 2024, so the numbers match with 2025.
Yes, yes. This was because I just when I was starting showing you and I did this adjustment because I was thought maybe there was any mistake did oh sorry I did again same this plus minus.
Okay.
So if I click on the reload again,
I just don't know why that number for 2024 is so big. Is that because it's just a big number because I categorize things wrong?
yes. So I don't want to change whatever you categorize in 2024. I was focused on your 2025.
Yeah.
So I did the journal to just
Got it.
adjust your balance so that there are no missing or there's no wrong categories or anything in your 2025.
Got it.
So I can just remove it now and you can see without clicking these transactions is show zero difference. And
Got it.
what I was check that your statement ending balance and cleared balance, that this means your QuickBooks cleared balance,
Got it.
and both are show match. So both are show match, so your zero difference. If that both are not matching, then what was the difference amount, it will be show here. So
Got it.
both are matched, so I can click in finish now. So if I go now in your December,
December.
it's automatically show that everything is matching. Let me show you. So these are 257.09,
Uh-huh.
257.09, 257.09, 56.09, and the closing date is
27.
27 December. Start reconcile. So that amount is whatever the amount that we just made fix it. If I go our payment section, now it's have the 8 payments now. That
Mm.
missing one we have. And now that problem with the charging section, that all the purchase we have, maybe any transaction is missing or maybe there was any transaction is double.
Wow.
So
That's
this is
every
the
month. Hopefully it doesn't get worse than that. This seems like a lot of
no,
work to be doing.
this was the missing sometimes happen. The reason is if your card or bank is disconnected by somehow, and if you
Yeah.
forget to reconnect that, then that during that month or days, they are not downloading your transactions. So when you connect back, they miss some transactions.
Got it. Got it.
So this was happen sometimes, and these do not happen always. Most of the
Yeah.
time, they are downloading all transactions. So what
Got it.
you have to do now, you have to check one by one all transactions by date. So if I click on the first date, starting date, oh sorry, this is starting date, 11/28. So we can see there was some 1029 transactions, and we have the transaction from 11/28.
Well,
Oh, sorry. I was
see,
open the
wrong one. If that's
December.
the wrong one.
Yeah, this one. So 11/27, 1920, 98.27. This was not here. 1920,
Task.
98.27, 98.27. So what I do, I just first click on untick all the transactions. Then I
Mm-hmm.
will check one by one. So I see that 98.27. This was 128 transactions, but it's showing in statement 127. So I just check the amount and date, and if I see it, I just click on tick mark. Then I come back again, 5.49. This is the 5.49 and 11/28. Okay, 58.64, 58.64. So I have to check one by one all the transactions for this.
For December.
For December. So once everything was all checked, then I will find out which one is missing. And I have to follow bank statement, not the QuickBooks. So I will go one by one. So if I see anything was missing, I will just keep it note that this one is missing. I will keep it in note and go ahead to see the whatever the second one is that in your QuickBooks or not.
But if it's not in the QuickBooks, then what do you do? What am I supposed to do?
Okay. If not in QuickBooks, you can see this Excel. This is all the transaction is missing in is in not QuickBooks one of my clients. So I have import this all transactions. So
Mm.
let me show like if I how do I cross check? So first 23, 35. I wish if I could find any transaction is missing.
I don't know. I don't think
It's
anything
take
should be.
it's take time to check one by one. Oh, most of them here. It can be any one of them that was missing.
It's gotta be equal to like difference, so.
Or it also can be that some transaction is not from this month, but it's already for the next month, but it's showing here. So let me count that how many was here. This all in, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20. I found 39 transactions, but if I click on all, you can see there's 42 transactions.
Yeah.
So that means there's some extra transition, but they are not extra. They are for the next month, but for the date is not matching with the bank transaction date. You can see
That
this.
means,
That means I have to untick some next month transactions. So let me do it if I find.
well, how do you know
Oh,
it's next
yes,
month's transition?
yes, you can see now. These three transition for next month.
But didn't it show up on the PDF?
Yes, let me show you. 861.22. You see this amount?
Yeah,
This is for December 25. Your last transaction is December 23.
I got it.
So these three is coming out. These are 26 and 27. So
Got it.
these
Got
three
it.
transaction is not your statement, but when I see your closing date, it told me this was for till 27. So
Yeah.
when I put it on your QuickBooks that this is a 27 till, so they give me transaction till 27. So this is not their fault. So I have to cross check with the transactions that which one is missing or which one is not in your statement. So when I found this three transaction in not your statement for this
Hmm.
month, so if untick, then it show that match amount and zero
But then
difference.
what then isn't it going to be off for next month?
Yes, this three transaction will show up in your next month in January statement.
But wouldn't January show a 12/27 to a 1/27 or no?
These three transaction will show in your January, and if I did one thing when I did the category reconciliation, if I choose that statement last date, what was the last date of my statement, and let me show you, like it's 23, and if I click on save, now you can see that all the transition is what we have.
Okay, good. Okay,
So
then
what I
that's
did,
then.
I just did get the last date of the statement,
Got it. Got it. Got it. But
last
you
transactions.
manually checked it just in case. Okay,
Yes.
good. So then that's all good to go. That you can press OK on that.
Now I click on finish now, and
So
your we can
December credit card is reconciled,
yes, December reconciled.
but the numbers still don't match. Though I don't think so.
Because still we have the January, and let me show what the now amount is showing.
Should be the same because my wife has QuickBooks too, and her both of the numbers are the same. I don't know. You see that?
You can see that there's a small amount is missing. Maybe there was that can be shown in the January, that what is the amount was showing the missing, because we see that your QuickBooks balance and bank balance is same when we do the reconciliation, right? So there are no difference. So if there any differences show, that means that difference is for the next month.
And why does it keep happening though? I feel like November we had this, October we had this, now we have it in December, and now we have it in January. Like, what am I? Is there something that something's not right?
No, everything is right, and we see that everything is perfectly did. So that's only the reason that can be that also that can be possible, that any transition is happened but not showing up right now, or maybe that can be missing in January. So that was not showing now because you have recorded till January. So if
Mm-hmm.
you unrecord all the transition till December 23, then you will see that your, let me show your this statement. This is the bank registry, and this is the balance is showing. So what is the balance showing? 529.57. You can see
Mm-hmm.
the same amount, 529.57, right? In your
Mm-hmm.
QuickBooks. And bank balance is showing 494. So if I go back and see what was the amount we did, 257, and date is 1223. Let's go back to 1223. 1223. Yes, this is the 1223 last transactions. This one. You can see 257.09.
Yeah, I can see that. Uh-huh.
So till this date and time, your amount is matching. So this is your QuickBooks balance.
Uh-huh. So
So
something's
this was
happening from
missing
here up above.
from this transition to till this, maybe there was anything happen.
Uh, so
So
now I have to wait until the month is over, and then I'm trying to figure how I'm going to do this.
yes, so when month is over, you can do the reconciliation and you will see what which transaction is missing. When you got the January statement.
Okay. What's happening with my bank then? Can you go to the bank? So
Uh,
what ended up happening is that before I used to just do payroll fees, and now I
you
guess
can see your till November your bank is reconciled and there is zero difference. No
Hmm.
difference is showing.
So you need the bank statement now, right?
Yes, for the bank.
All right, give me a second. Oh no. Sorry. I just don't know why I keep getting mishaps. Like if I go on my wife's QuickBooks right now, it doesn't show any differences. I don't know why I'm getting them, you know?
I
That's
told you that any transition was missing from here or something
I know,
because
but I've had many of them missing is what I'm trying to figure out like
or
why mine
if
keep
you
missing.
or if you want, you can do that. You have your bank account and you can check one by one transaction from or you can do it by your bank feed. Like if I did 12, 24,
Yeah.
2025 and the same thing in till now and I apply and see that you will see that total 82 transactions. So you can just cross check with your bank transaction history and these 82 transactions. So which is there in your bank's history after 23 to after 24 to till January 27 is there same 82 transaction or not? You can check by manually
I
before
mean
you get
credit
the
card you
statement.
like
Yes, credit
credit
card,
card you.
credit card transaction history.
Got it.
So in that way you will know that which transaction is missing.
And you're saying the way it's missing is because it lost connection? Like how I don't know. I don't even I go on this maybe once a week for 2 minutes or maybe 5 minutes.
Uh,
I'm trying to figure out I didn't click anything wrong.
uh, there is so many reasons that can be.
I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna wait till January.
Mm,
Yeah.
this only credit card payment you made, so and this is
I know,
perfectly
I don't
recorded.
know. Yeah, I know, I'm in like the same boat.
You can just if there any option to export your transaction history till 27 of January of your statement, yeah, transaction history from your bank statement or bank story, credit card history, then I can help you with that.
But I can't do that until January. So I gotta look at it until January and see what I'm missing.
Mm, lots of transactions. Okay. Deposits total. Okay. Total reduction. 529. Yeah, okay. This is the ending balance. You can see.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So if I copy this amount and go to the ending balance of your bank, and what is the ending date? Closing date, statement closing date. Yeah, these are
12/31.
12/31. Okay, I've closing date. Start reconcile.
So what if you don't reconcile? What happens?
There was nothing happened, but you are not sure that if the transaction is missing or not. There are so many things can be happen. Like, you can do that. Uh, if you are making invoices, you are doing the direct deposits to your employer or payroll. If you are doing recording bill and paying it from your bank, so in that situations, you have to allocate your bank transaction with the bills, with the invoices, with the payroll transactions. Like you can, yeah, you have to match with them those invoice bills or payroll transactions, direct deposits.
So
If you not, then that will show here that this
got it.
transaction mentioned there, but that was not.
But it's zeroed
Uh,
out. Everything matches the thing.
yes, and this showing that everything is recorded perfectly, and ending balance and beginning balance, everything is matched.
Okay.
And you
That's
can
good.
see that your bank show that deposits 107,355. You can and HS edition, or this both will be maybe
Well, so
have to
187, 188,
one, oh sorry, 187 total
187, 931. Okay.
is, you can see the amount is match,
Got it.
and this is the total of 122,786, 122,786. This was also same, so that means no difference between your bank and QuickBooks. And this was the reconciliation. If there anything you make, like if you create any expense, here is the expenses.
Mm-hmm.
Expense transaction. Let me go to the vendors. Okay, let me create expense right from here. If you create any expense, let me not reconcile this now. If you make an expense, like you are saying that you are paying to your AT&T from your bank, this is your phone and internet bill, T-Mobile autopay, and you are paying from your bank. The amount is $200. You made this, and this amount you paid in
But
December.
am I manually doing this?
Yes, manually.
Why would I do something manually? Because it's not recorded?
Because someone did it, because this, they are using classes, or they are using something else. So, or they have to track their vendors, that how much if they are in not paying in cash, like
Got it.
or instant if they paid their bill. So it there, that can be a bills of anything that you are just taking the product, but you are not paying instant. You will say that you will pay it later, and you
Oh,
create the expense, and you mention the bank. So when you mention the bank, that automatically QuickBooks, you can see the balance. Automatically QuickBooks minus that balance from your bank account,
got it, got it, got
because
it.
you
So
create the
I see. I
expense.
wouldn't be doing that though.
So some people doing this for that reason. If they did it, that will also show in the reconciliation that you made the expense, but you didn't record it from your bank. So you didn't match with your bank transactions, and in that way that will show twice. Like there is a 302 expense, and there is another 302. It show that which one you do it manually. So in
Mm,
that way, we can find it out, and we do that, match the transactions. So
got
there are
it,
so many reasons need to be reconciled. There is missing transaction, there was duplicate transaction, that can be not match with another transaction. If you did the internal transfer, you made the internal transfer, but you didn't match. So that also show twice in your reconciliation.
got it, got it.
So that's,
So I would only do that if I'm making a payment as an expense, but I'm not recording it yet or making it yet. So I just put it in there as a record, and I can finish it later. But I'm not
yes.
gonna be. I wouldn't be doing that though, right?
Yes, you're not. So that's the reason your December must have the no reference, and
Got it.
everything is going smoothly. And I hope from now, every month, your everything going smoothly.
Now in
And
December, can you go back to the bank for me? Because there's three things I gotta categorize. So you see, it says township tax, and then it says dental billing company.
hmm,
I'm trying to figure out. Well, I don't know what this 1620. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to figure that out. And then I
which
got
one?
charged both of these, right? So I'm trying to see if one, this bottom one should be payroll, and the top one should be payroll tax. How do I categorize that? Because I didn't do that before. Like
Yeah.
the top one should be paid all my payroll going out. That's my payroll cost.
So this is your payroll tax, and this is your payroll you paid, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna verify right now. Give me a second. Report history, January 9th, payroll
Processing
report.
fee. Okay. Maybe I have to leave soon because
Okay.
my wife just messaged me that baby is again wake up and crying. But
Yeah.
let me show you if the so if there any transaction that if you are confused what category you have to do, you have to put, you can go to your chart of accounts and then you can check what's the expense accounts you have that match with your this one.
Yeah,
So
the payroll.
this one
Yeah,
is
I think
you
I think
have
there
to
should be payroll, I think. Can you put
this one
payroll
is
on
going
there?
to this I'm
Payroll,
going
tax,
to
and go ahead, sorry.
you don't have the payroll chart of accounts. I can see this is the payroll processing fee. This is not the payroll expense, and this is a payroll tax. So you have to create a payroll chart of account. You can
But
just
I've already
click.
done that though. Last year I've been paying myself that. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Last year I've been paying myself payroll. Like if you run my expense balance sheet,
Salary. Hmm.
maybe
Maybe
that's what
you
it is.
maybe you put it under salaries.
Yeah, maybe it's non-officers. I don't know what I did. This is so
So
annoying.
you can just create a payroll chart of accounts because these are showing salaries, non-officers, and salaries is officers compositions. Okay.
But it'll all work. Like if I categorize these as taxes and officers, it should work.
Yes. Which one is taxes? You can categorize the tax like this one. You can just take categorize as a payroll tax. You have already the chart of account, and for the another one, you can categorize as
Do
a if
salary
this
then.
is if there's a wages, then you can do it wages. You can do it payroll, or you can do it
Just,
salaries.
just do salary real quick. I just want to see if it balances out.
So if any
Just do
one of them,
non-officers. Non-officers. Yeah, click on that.
okay,
And then the
and
other
you
one, and then the other one do processing. The
so
fourteen thousand.
this one is your salaries from the Gusto, okay, Gusto payroll software, and this was is your payroll tax.
Taxes. I gotta find out. Yeah, but yeah, I'll call them later tomorrow.
Okay, this is your payroll tax. You can just categorize as a payroll tax and choose that this is also coming going for the Gusto. Then you
Okay,
can just
payroll.
categorize a payroll tax because this is a payroll tax you are paying.
Yep, and then just that's okay for Philadelphia Department of Revenue. You could do a Keystone tax for that too.
Yes.
They both are added.
Yes. So both are you can see in your uh, profit and loss right now that you are
Okay,
recording it.
so I'll look at that and I'll see what it should be evened out. So right now my credit card's not even, but my bank statement is even.
Your banks is I think is matching. There was $84. You can see there's
You can just
$84 is difference
yeah, you can
between.
add that. You can categorize it to add.
What's the category? This local taxes,
It's your
Keystone.
local taxes Keystone. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So it's
every week I gotta check to make sure everything's okay. Every month I gotta reconciliate. That's pretty much it,
yes,
right?
yes, you
I
have
just
to do
don't know
that.
why the credit card's not matching. That's what I don't understand. So I gotta wait until January to see. Now, would I need to
Mm-hmm.
go back and change 2024 numbers again?
No, 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 you don't need. You never need to change it back again. That's
Okay.
what I will just adjust. That's it. You never need to because you can see your if balance is matching. So you don't need to change it again in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Because if this was not match, that means there is something happening with your QuickBooks and statement. There was something you are missing. So you have to you I show you that I was cross checking one by tick mark. So you have to cross
Yeah.
check that. So if you find any like something is not here, then you can just import it. So if you need in future any help, like if you want to import and you don't know how to do it, you can just shoot
Yeah.
me a message on Upwork and I will guide you
Okay,
whenever.
cool. Good. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Appreciate your help.
Okay. Okay. And I hope you can just in the contract for now, but still in after in the contract, whenever you need help, I will help you. No problem in the
Yeah.
future.
Yeah, in the future, I'll just send you a new contract. This one's done everything, so we're good.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you. No problem. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.